Hi everyone, my name is Corey Dow and I'm a technical marketing engineer with HPE Aruba Networking. And today we're going to cover a new feature with 10.14, which is support for multicast over extended edge with static VXLAN tunnels. So starting with the initial release of 10.14.001, we now provide support for L2 or L3 multicast IPv4 or IPv6 overlay senders and receivers connected in extended edge VXLAN deployments with static L2 VNI VXLAN tunnels, which is what you see here down here below. We have multicast receivers here, which are 6200s that are connected to edge VTEPs in this case. So we have 5 VTEPs, and VTEP4 and VTEP5 are both connected to edge VTEPs using static VXLAN tunnels, as you can see with the CLI output above here. And so with VTEP 1 and 2, all you need to do is you specify the VTEP peer and then the peer loopback address. So in this case, it'd be 1.4 and 1.5. And you also need to specify the inter-VXLAN bridging mode for static EVPN to get this fabric extended to these extended edge 6200 leaf nodes. As a reminder, the 6200 series does not support BGP EVPN, so static VXLAN tunnels are needed instead to extend this fabric. And multicast support will be extended to the VSX Edge deployments starting with 10.14.1000 release. Use cases, as we mentioned, is to extend the fabric for the 6200 series and to provide multicast support. The support is applicable to the symmetric IRB and centralized gateway deployments, and Aruba Central Net Conductor orchestration with the 6200 extended edge devices would be coming in a future release. So the clear benefits now are multicast with 10.14 may now be supported in the overlay with static VXLAN tunnels, and EVPN VXLAN scale may be increased by cascading 6200 extended edge switches. And with the 6200 extended edge devices, we can now extend the EVPN VXLAN scale. The maximum scale in a single fabric for the number of VTEPs is 32. However, you can see you can extend the fabric by adding these additional 6200 devices, which can increase the host scale and provide improved scalability in the environment. So for the supported platforms, the 6200, as we've mentioned, it supports the access and extended edge leaf network layer persona, and the 6300, as you see here in these leaf pairs, supports the access edge leaf. And then the 64, 81, and 8360 all support this configuration. However, in most cases, it's really only relevant to the 6200 series connecting in, because the 6200 doesn't support EVPN VXLAN, whereas all the other devices in this support EVPN VXLAN, so they wouldn't necessarily need the static VXLAN support. But any of these devices, 63, 64, 81, and 8360, can operate at the edge here for providing static VXLAN support to these extended edge nodes, as you see here. The requirement for the release was only a L2 VNI stretch, but we were also able to test both L2 and L3 VNI support with traffic being sent. You see in this example here, we've got 239.111 going out VLAN 10, which is the same VLAN or VNI that's attached to the other VTEPs. However, there is traffic going out VLAN 20 to group 239.112, which can be established as receivers to these other extended edge deployments as well. And that's it for this quick introduction to the multicast over extended edge support with static VXLAN tunnels in the 10.14 release. Thank you.